Hi, I'm excited to tell you about this color palette that I bought. I've been on the search for a good silver eyeshadow that doesn't like fall out with the glittery stuff on my cheek. I hate that. This doesn't do that. Let me show you these colors. I am going to show you how I did my eye makeup. I used this color on the outside. I used this one that's kind of like a neutral, which I love, on the inside, and white brow bone and in the middle for accent. Let me show you. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how I used these three different colors. I used a soft fluffy brush and I just kind of dab and blend the colors together, the darker color on the outside of my eyelids and that neutral lighter color on the inside of my eyelids. I love that neutral. It was an unexpected pleasant surprise. And then the white on the highlight areas. So yes, I love this. I love that it comes with this neutral. I love that it doesn't fall onto my cheeks. This is so good. Color vibes. Thanks.